Mega drought had been one of the major concerns for nearly 20 years and more in United States, basically Western United States, and therefore 8 states of United States started with the cloud seeding project. Now this cloud seeding project, the mechanism we very well know, silver iodide is introduced, and this silver iodide helps in formation of the clusters, and the water actually freezes around it, which ultimately falls down as snow or rain depending on what latitude and altitude it is. But this is the basic functioning of the cloud seeding mechanism. So there had been various controversies. The idea started with General Electrical, where Vincent Schaefer actually did the first experiments on cloud seeding by dropping a dry ice in the clouds of New York, and later on there was high use under the project Skywater, and that was to increase the water supply during Operation Papillon, that was mainly for bringing rains in as a weapon in Vietnam. Now later on in 1980s, the funding started to reduce and there were no conclusive findings on the researches, and as a result the project was stopped. Later on again there was a major national research council which concluded that there could not be any significant proof, so this project was stopped. However, of recent, we have started with the concept again, understanding that cloud seeding boosts the study, and it can increase the snowfall by 5 to 15% in the areas where it occurred naturally, but this increase could be witnessed because of the cloud seeding. Now again, what is important is that the cost from the cloud seeding is actually very small as compared to the other supply side strategies that we use. For example, for desalination, if we don't have ample water, then ocean water would be used, and that would be desalination process. So the cost for desalination is very high. The cost for recycling of water is high. In contrast to it, cloud seeding is one of the cheaper alternatives. Again, in 2017, a new project which was known as Snowy was identified, and 286 Olympic pools worth of water was actually generated, and this was the first quantitative proof of how effective the cloud seeding is. So previously we used to say that whether cloud seeding works or not, but the new question is under what specific condition it works, how we can optimize the cloud seeding, and how we can make an impactful difference because of cloud seeding. The same experiments have been tried in the regions of Delhi during the monsoon period this year, around 7th to 12th of July 2025. So again, a very important topic for cloud seeding, not only for your prelims but also for your mains, and this can be written as one of the case studies under cloud seeding, highly important for students even with geography optional. So thanks for joining in. Of course, we will cover more interesting topics for your optional. Stay tuned. Thank you.